everyone. It's Dana Cortez.
DJ Automatic.
I go by Anthony 8.
We're the Dana Cortez Show, and we have our very good friend Jonathan here with us because it's time for us to talk about our Superstar winner of the week. Welcome, Jonathan.
Hey.
Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm great. You mind if I just get right to it?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right. So we have Elise Wright with us today, and Elise was nominated by her mom, and what an outstanding young woman that Elise is. She has struggled with in the past with speech issues and dyslexia, but instead of letting those issues get in her way, she actually uses those to help others. And so I'm so excited about this because it's a little long, but I got to share it. Elise, number one, teaches music to kids who have disabilities. She's also been active in her high school and participates in orchestra council, photography, and chess. And she's excelled at her photography to the point that her artwork was selected to be hung at Art One Gallery in Scottsdale. But here's the best part about it. Her art was done to create a picture to create awareness of women being silenced. More precisely, a sex trafficking awareness piece with a picture of a girl with tape over her mouth. And I actually get choked up to even read this. In addition to working 35 plus hours per week, she teaches disabled kids at her Gilbert High School for music therapy. She serves on the orchestra council to raise funds to keep orchestra alive within Gilbert High. But wait, there's even more that Elise does. She's in the Tri-M Music Honor Society, which advocates for music education for kids with disabilities. And Elise wants to spend her life helping others and has career aspirations to go into family counseling to help other kids. Elise, your story is so inspirational. And because of that, we want to recognize you as the Superstar of the Week. And we're going to give you a year's free car washes.
Congratulations.
I'm so bad about getting my car washed. I totally Thank you so much. My whole life has been crazy, but I feel like I have to give back some way because when you struggle like I did, I see other people struggling and I know how hard it is.
Congratulations on being the Superstar of the Week. And Jonathan, thank you so much again. I'm just so proud of this.
You keep bringing us these real superstars every week.
Listen, it's not me. It's your audience who's nominating them. So just keep on nominating people. And I do want to shout out to you guys. You're fantastic partners. And it is the highlight of my week to come on and spend a few minutes with you and our superstars. So congratulations, Elise and Dana. And guys, I'll see you next week.
Woo!
Thank you so much. Thank you.